Wait, malalapit pala ako. And roll.
Hi, I'm Meg Chosen, and we're here at the secret spot Paula's talking about a little earlier. Hi, I'm Meg Chosen.
Are you watching
Camera
TV?
It's a Net 25.
Welcome to Spain. In this episode,
Father was definitely one of the most avid photographers who influenced me. For fuel, tatlo pa lang kami nun.
Unless they click the shutter release, that's the only way to learn. So keep on clicking.
Well, that's kind of different. Okay.
So join me on this weekly adventure as we unravel the mysteries in creating a beautiful photograph. Only here on Camera Geek TV.
Camera Geek TV going green content.
Such as the lenses, the flash, and some of the accessories. You can go here and try out the lenses.
Congratulations, Mike.
Thank you. Good job,
I just want to switch because of the technical aspects, yung composition.
This is a 10-inch tablet made by Apple and launched back in April.
Si Michael lang yung naiba dun sa mga ends.
The idea of advertising photography is to be able to freeze a single moment in time.
Nais namin magpasalamat sa mga Camera Geek viewers na sumubaybay sa amin ni Paolo as featured photographers of various genres dito sa Pilipinas.
Yes, we are super grateful to all the featured photographers that we had on the show who shared with us their knowledge and insights on their craft and also taught us how to turn ordinary things into something extraordinary.
Ang episode na to ay special because this is the last episode of Season 1. Pero hindi kami magpapaalam because we know that Camera Geek TV ay nasa puso ng bawat Pinoy photographer.
This episode brings to us Chapter 1 of Camera Geek TV, and it features the best episodes of Season 1, not to mention never-before-seen behind-the-scenes footage of our shoots, and also the story of how you, the viewers, shaped Camera Geek TV to what it is today.
I'm so excited, Paolo!
Kaya sit back, relax, and chill. Nagsisimula pa lang ang mga season ng Camera Geek TV!
Hi, I'm Melodia and you're watching Camera Geek TV.
For today, a magazine approached me and they wanted to do something about cosplay photography. So they wanted to feature things about it, how it's done, and the concept behind it. So I thought of getting my good friend Edgy, or Alodia, and we wanted to do a shoot for the magazine and wanted to submit it.
I've been working with Jay a lot and this is pretty much like before, so I feel comfy and yeah, it's fun.
Vic, explain, wag ka natin batakin din to dito. Kuha ka ng 2 clamp.
Premise sa setup na to is that I had to pre-visualize kung ano maging itsura nung magiging White Queen Alice in Wonderland shot ko. So, first and foremost comes into my head was actually the main light. Considering from what I did previously doon sa group shot ng Alice in Wonderland, I wanted to replicate the same kind of effect. So I wanted to put a spotlight. Hence, I have a big boom like this. Then, considering that she's standing in front of a certain background, this light will cause a shadow sa likod. That's why I put a light over here. This counteracts the shadow produced by this. Kasi since this is a small light source, it will produce a harsher shadow sa likod. Now, next set of lights will be my hair light. She can, because the character is wearing a crown, hence my hair light ako sa taas to illuminate the crown. And then, I have 2 lights here on the side to give the shine sa gilid. And then lastly, I have another light down here which is over on the other side. So it's over there. This is naman to counteract the shadow caused by the main light on the chin. And This last light over here, which is the soft box, produces an overall fill light for the rest of the body. Lapit nyo pero ang tira pag ano, huwag gitna, ihingan siya pag...
Itong ilaw na to sa ilalim, uso dito. A bit higher. Lapit pa itong hand ito, baba mo ito ng konti. Yan. Nice. This hand, ganun pa natin. Yan, good, nice, good. That's it. Kung share natin, may naghiwalay eh. May naghiwalay Charlie na ito. Yan, yan. Good. Labas natin elbow natin. Good, that's it. Let's go dito konti. That's it. Yes! Okay, we're done. That's it. That's it.